Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a new addition to my bi-weekly face detox regimen, bay leaf powder. Now to bay leaf powder, I love to add Nola Cassava Hydrating Mask in addition to a bit of honey, olive oil, and of course noni juice, which is very popular for having anti-aging and collagen production properties. Now this overnight face detox mask has a gelatin base, so I am quite liberal and free when it comes to the quantity that I'm adding to this mixture. Now for those who may not be familiar, bay leaves are a popular herb in cooking, known for their earthy, slightly bitter flavor. But did you know that bay leaves also have some amazing skin benefits? The powder made from dried bay leaves is particularly useful for detoxifying the skin. Now that we have all our ingredients assembled, just simply give it a very good stir to combine everything. And if you find the mixture a bit dry, just simply add some more noni juice, or better yet, hot water. Because of the gelatin, the hot water will loosen up the mixture and make it easier to handle. The amazing thing about this concoction is that together with the bay leaf powder, this mask helps to remove impurities and unclog pores. It leaves my skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And since it's an overnight mask, it does a lot of the work even while I'm asleep. Now it's time to apply the mixture. Just simply wash your face and pat dry carefully, and then apply the mask in a circular motion, carefully avoiding your eyes and mouth. Now you have the option of leaving the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, or if you're adventurous like me, you can leave it on overnight to see the amazing results that you get from this mask. Now I love to apply mask all the way down as far as possible to my chest area. That gives me a nice even tone when the results start to show. Now after the overnight masking period, this is what my face looks like. Not a pretty sight, but listen guys, the tightness of this mask, it does wonders for my skin, and I was just totally amazed at the results afterwards. Now because I'm doing this mask for the first time, I want to try using it twice a week. But if you prefer to use this in your skincare regimen, you can adjust the frequency based on your own skin type and needs. Now I really do hope you will give bay leaf powder a try in your own skincare routine. Let me know in the comments if you have any other favorite natural ingredients for detoxifying the skin. I would love to know and give them a try. Now I have to mention that when you're peeling off this mask, it can get quite painful, as I learned the hard way, especially around the areas where you have hair like your eyebrows and your hairline. So what I did was to wet those areas and just simply wipe it off carefully, just so that I could avoid the pain. But listen guys, the feel of my skin after removing that mask, it was just a feeling that I just can't describe. My skin was feeling so fresh and clean and plump like a baby's bottom. Now just to get rid of the excess mask that may have remained on your skin afterwards, just use a warm rag and just give your face a nice wipe, and that will help to get rid of any existing mask that might still be lingering. Now that you're all done, you can continue with the rest of your skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.